Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous card for Eid, that is Eid Mubarak card, where I will share how to make these beautiful lantern hangings or lamp hangings which are made using paper quilling, strips, mirrors, and so many techniques are there, and the card is looking very elegant, isn't it? I'm just loving the color combination so much. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I'm starting with making first lamp, and for this I'm taking 3 by 4 centimeter purple color glitter paper or glitter cardstock, and from top on the left side I'm marking at 0.8. Similarly from right side I'm marking at 0.8 and just joining it with the bottom corners from both the sides. Then just chopping the excess lines. And sticking it on white color cardstock. Then I am taking one golden strip, dividing in 4 parts like this, and then joining these strips together using glue to create thick strip so that we can do the outlining work. So the thick strip will look like this. So I have already prepared some thick strips, and for my lamp outlining I am going to use these thick strips. You can also use thick cardstocks if you have in golden color. Then I have already shaped it according to my base shape. The strips are folded and I am sticking it on the edge. For the folding I have just used my tweezers and created folds. Now cutting the excess strip, and this is done. Then for the finishing from outer side I am wrapping one more piece of golden strip around this. Now keeping it aside, and to add another shapes, here I am taking 2 strips of golden color in 3mm and making one rectangular shape. The strip which I am using today is having 45 centimeter length. So rectangle shape is done. Now I am sticking it on top of this design. Then I am taking one strip of golden color and creating one bended teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more, so I am just sticking it on top of the rectangular shape. Like this. Then I am taking one strip of golden color and making one tight coil. So I am sticking it exactly in the bottom center, and then I have already prepared one more shape to create the diamond, which I am going to stick it inside the lamp. So similar method, I have prepared the thick strip and folded it in a diamond shape. Wiping out the liquid glue immediately, and then putting some more tight coils here and there, which are made using 1/8 strips and 1/4 strips. Like this. Then I am coloring everything with gold paint. You can skip this step, but it will give more shine to the lampshade. Then I am adding little bit of glitter on rectangular shape, so that it will look nice and chunky. And then it's time to decorate the lamp with some stones and mirrors. So I am using stone chains and different sizes of mirrors according to the base shape. And this is done. Then I'm just fussy cutting it along with the edge and making it nice in a shape so that we can stick it on the card. You can also create envelopes using these kind of lampshades. And the beautiful first lampshade or the hanging is ready. Very pretty, isn't it? Now I am starting with the next one. So here I am taking green glitter cardstock, which is 3 by 5 centimeters, and here from the edge I have just marked at 0.8 centimeters from all 4 sides and created the hexagon shape. Now again I am sticking it on the white cardstock. Then doing the outlining work with the thick strip of golden color. After that I am making one design inside the lamp. Very pretty. Then on the top and in the bottom I am going to add some designs. So here I have created the leaf shapes using one strip for center and half strips for both sides, and then adding 2 small tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips. Everything is in golden strip of 3 mm. Also decorating the bottom using 1 strip tight coil, 1/4 strip tight coil and half strip tight coil in the bottom like this. I let to dry. Then I am again adding little bit of glitter on small tight coils. So glittery. And then it's time to decorate this with some mirrors using leaf shapes, diamond shapes and stones. And this is also done. Then it's time to fussy cut this from the edge just like we did before, and after cutting the lamp it will look like this, looking very pretty, very festive and very shiny. So in this way we have created both of our lamps or hangings, and now it's time to create the card base. So here I'm taking off-white color card base which is 20 by 20 centimeters, and this is having 250 GSM thickness. I am just folding this from center and making the slimline card. On top of this I am going to add gold mirror cardstock which is 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters. So using glue I am quickly sticking it on the base. Burnish it nicely. Then I am taking this beautiful floral pattern paper which is 9 by 19 centimeters, and it is already having some self print, so it goes very well with the festive projects. And this is by Dress My Craft. I bought it from Crafters Corner website. Then it's time to make the hangings. So using same glitter cardstocks and created some thin strips. So positioning my lamps, and according to that I am sticking the hangings for green and purple lampshades. Also I am sticking one thin golden color strip in the center to add the moon. And then I am attaching both the lamps. Then here I have created this semicircle bended shape which is made using one strip of golden color in 3 mm, and I have poured golden glitter on top of the moon as well. So I am just sticking it exactly in the center with the gold strip, and this is done. Very pretty. Then it's time to decorate some hangings as well. So here I am taking some stones in silver color and golden color and decorating the hangings. Then randomly I am putting some gold paint dots here and there using dot tool just to add little more shine. And then at the end I am adding the sentiment Eid Mubarak in the bottom, which is made using brush pen. This is the handwritten sentiment, and the beautiful card for Eid is ready. You can write some special message inside the card. And one more thing I want to say here, you can use this card for Diwali as well, because lamps or hangings also look good on the occasion of Diwali. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.